So this is a short tutorial on how to use Restream with Bitfocus Companion. First, make sure to select the right interface. In my case, I just want to connect to everything. And I'm using Bitfocus Companion 3.0.0. Next up, let's go to connection, add the Restream API. And then if we click the question mark icon, there's a link, and if you're logged into Restream, you can make your own application. So let's call this companion, and for the redirect URL we're gonna do HTTP localhost and port 8081. Then we're gonna copy the client ID and make sure to paste it there, and we're gonna copy the client secret and also paste it. And for the redirect URL, we're gonna use the same that we put in our application. We press save. It will ask you to allow access to Restream, and you will get a message that access is granted. And now we hit save again, and you see that the status is green. And if we make a button, we have changed channel state. And there I only put one channel in at the moment, but there you can say if you want to enable, so actually stream to that channel, or disable. And that's it. That's how you use Restream with Bitfocus Companion.